Sharing a home with a dog means living with a shadow. When you stand, they stand. When you move, they mirror your path. Most domestic animals maintain their own space. A cat keeps a perimeter. Livestock follow a herd. Only the dog tethers itself to a human's heels. We often assume this is a simple transaction, that proximity is the price they pay for their next meal. We also might credit our own training, believing we've conditioned them to stay close through praise or command. However, dogs maintain this tight proximity even when they are not hungry and when no training or reward is being offered. They aren't making a choice based on logic or expectation. They are responding to an internal biological compulsion. This intense drive to shadow a human is a biological anomaly that standard models of animal behavior cannot explain. To understand it, we have to look past the living room and move into the dog's cellular biology. The explanation for this constant shadowing behavior resides within their DNA sequence. This diagram shows two specific genetic markers, the GTF2I and GTF2I-RD1 genes. These variants act as biological instructions that mandate a physical predisposition toward human connection. These markers are not unique to specific breeds. They are a universal constant found across the entire species. The Velcro behavior is a hardwired genetic imperative. The drive to stay near humans is a molecular command. To understand what these genes actually do, scientists use comparative biology, looking for these same sequences in other species. When we map these canine GTF2I and GTF2I-RD1 variants against the human genome, we find a perfect structural match. In humans, this specific genetic profile correlates with extreme sociability, as shown by this spike in social motivation. This manifests as an intense physical and psychological drive to seek out connection, a physiological need for the presence of others. Because dogs carry these exact same variants, they experience that identical, overwhelming biological pull toward their humans. Using the human genome as a reference reveals that canine devotion is a shared genetic trait that physically binds our two species. Look at your dog next time they are watching you from across the room. That needy behavior is actually the successful execution of their biological programming. This perceived emotional devotion is a measurable physical trait engineered into the animal over thousands of years. Learned behaviors can be forgotten, but a genetic instruction is permanent. Your dog doesn't simply choose to love you. Their biology is designed to need you, with devotion written directly into their genetic code.